So right now I am on ClickFunnels, and you can see that I've just been testing ClickFunnels a little bit because I'm only going to use ClickFunnels for selling this membership or this course that you're on right now. Making opt-in pages, capture pages, thank you pages is so easy with ClickFunnels, but I'm not going to go super in depth. I went super in depth in the OptimizePress tutorial, so you should definitely watch that if you want to know how a funnel works and how you should work your funnel. But we can replicate what we did in OptimizePress on ClickFunnels way faster. And once again, this is just easier for people that don't have the technical skills, although it isn't that hard with OptimizePress. If you want to create a membership site, this is the best platform to do that on. But we're going to try and replicate the last video or the OptimizePress. We're just going to do test 2, build funnel. So as you saw in the OptimizePress video, we're going to have an opt-in page, we're going to have a thank you page where we build trust, and then we're going to have a free and an OTO or an upsell on that same page. So we're going to have that right there. So first of all, we need to create an opt-in page. We're going to go and find a nice opt-in page. Right, I like it simple, as you know. Simple pages are always going to convert very well. I know that this converts pretty well, but I want to go with this one. So we select this template. And as we also talked about in the last video, you can actually split test these opt-in pages right here in ClickFunnels. So you don't need that tool, the ClickMagick tool, to be able to do that. But we're going to go in here and then we're going to edit this page. And I'm just going to drag up the last page that we made. So we're just going to replicate this, my 10 favorite Lightroom presets. We also wrote a few others, but we're going to use this. Just click right here and then you're good. So you also write this on top of here. You do that with just, if you go in here, you can duplicate this and then you can drag it up and we can write whatever we had on this page. I'm not going to go in depth. We did that in the last video. And since we use GetResponse, we just go up to the settings. We've already set up the integrations. It's very easy. Just go into the settings of your ClickFunnels account and then go into the integration. We go to GetResponse. This is where I want them, and then add to campaign, and then we add them to a list, and NDFL is the list that we have connected. Awesome. Right there, we have a beautiful looking squeeze page that you can send people to. We're going to save this. Oh, we need to add a title, 10 presets, and description, get your free presets here. That is good. We're going to save that. And then we can go back, we can exit, and then we can take them to our thank you page. And the thank you page is where we're going to have a video of us to build trust with our lists. We just need some simple things right here. We can select this template maybe. We can go to edit page and then we can remove this. We can add a new element. We can add a video right here. And this is going to be a video where you build some trust with your audience. And also over here, we're going to have, let's see, thank you test 1. Was that we made this in OptimizePress. It's actually going to be a video in between these. But as you can see, we just need a tiny headline to make them watch this video, because it's important that they watch this video so you can build a little bit of that trust. 100% free download, no complicated software. That is nice. Warning, button action not set. We can set the action. We can click to go to next step in funnel. So it's just gonna follow the steps that we did. We're gonna save this. We probably need to, yes. We're gonna just write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is gonna be fine. Save, and then we exit. And here we create a new one. It looks like this is set as an opt-in. We don't want an opt-in. We actually want a sales page where we can have a video. So there's so many nice sales pages right here. Let's do a simple one like this one maybe. Yeah, this is going to be fine. This is going to be awesome. So we select that template. This is the page that we built the last time. You have to check out the last video in order to create this yourself. But right here as well, you should have your logo. You should have a video right underneath this, and then a download button. And then we sell them something right here, which is your affiliate program, your affiliate course that you can sell. And this is a Lightroom course that we talked about. And you can just see how easy it is to set this up in ClickFunnels. And that's really what I wanted to show you. If you're not technically inclined, this is so easy to set up. Just a few buttons, you can add columns and you can select elements, and it's so easy to replicate what I did in OptimizePress. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video, not how to make this, but you can see that it's so simple to do all of this in ClickFunnels in just a few minutes. Also, when you want to make your own course, if you want to make your own course, you can do that in ClickFunnels. It's so hard to do that in OptimizePress. So that's going to be this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.